Wow, Pokemon Town. We should go there. Oh no, where are my spoons? This is Korea. Spoons are here and chopsticks too. What I feel about Seoul. So the city is very big. I really like that there is a lot of greenery. There is also a lot of skyscrapers. Also, this is like something what is my soft spot. So I had done a lot of photography. I really like the cuisine because you can eat many different things and they are cooked instantly. For example, on the table you have this big pot and different types of meat and different types of vegetables, and you can mix it together and it is coming like very nicely. Or we also had some food that there was a big shelf with a lot of strange ingredients, strange for us for sure. For example, some different types of shrooms and different types of tofu, different types of shrimps, and you also could mix it up by your own. And when you have chosen these different ingredients, then you needed to choose how spicy you would like to have this dish. And they were preparing a soup, and yeah, that was cooked, and then it was like the closest thing that you can have to these Chinese soups, and for sure it was healthy. So yeah, recommendation to choose these types of foods instead of these instant soups is definitely there. I will now flip the camera so you can see where I am. I'm going this way, and the next thing is about the Seoul, that for me that was not that much touristic place, and I haven't seen many tourists, to be honest. It was like during the whole day I have seen maybe like 10 people, nothing more. So 10 people is not much. I haven't seen any buses with tourists, So I feel that I'm special because of being here. So more tourists needs to come for sure. This country is definitely ready for more tourists. Maybe I will go this strange way now. We don't have any footage like that. So yeah. So for me that place was mostly like you can come here and work here, not like for touristic reasons. But of course I can be mistaken, and there are a lot of different treasures outside of Seoul. I haven't been there, and the same was, for example, in Kazakhstan. Astana was not the most beautiful thing I have seen, but the whole country was tremendous, and most probably the similar is here. I admire these brilliant people. I know their minds are like one of the most intelligent in the world, and they are having this ability to develop something on the verge of innovativeness, and I really admire this. So to say, and the last part is that for sure this is a great place if you are a person who would like to spend more time in having nice time partying. They have a lot of spots for karaoke and a lot of spots for spending time outside, drinking, all of these things together. Also with some shopping, if you like this, there are many luxurious shops, there are many normal shops, so there's always something for everyone. Yeah. So guys, this is the end from my side. I was honored to be your host. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.